Contact.
We're about to crash when we get contact.
See if it's going to twitch now. And the wind's coming from, there it goes, the wind's coming from the left. So we know that wasn't the wind. It's the tail pushing over. You never know where it's gonna go. You're not safe anywhere.
Watch her fly and he's gonna wreck. I'm gonna say contact every time he's contact him. Contact.
You want to fly this, Colin? You want to fly this? Yeah.
In the car? I'll get the bike.
We're just gonna fly it low.
Don't try to do a flip, Colin. Don't put sunblood on.
We'll just fly it just like this.
Don't put the sunblood.
Okay. Yeah, it's off. It's on regular. All you gotta do is just the regular. And you know the controls, right? Just lift it up, get it kind of up, yeah, it's really hard to fly. If you crash, don't worry about it. Just hold on, let's see. There's some grass in here. Just get it up about this high. Yeah, keep it right up there. Little bit higher. That's alright. It'll take a pretty good beating.
I tried to go backwards, but it went backwards too much.
Yeah,
no, you gotta
go forward.
Yeah, only tiny stick. Oh no, because I wanted to
Go
get
like this.
To me.
Lift it up and fly it over there and just land it over there. That's alright. Just lift it up and push forward a little bit so it goes forward, you know?
Oh no, there's something caught in the tail.
Oh, can you get it? Thread or something?
Those in here, the T11. A commando and an HQ.
So just lift up and tip it forward and just fly it right over there and land it.
Don't tip it forward so much, just fly.
Yeah. Be real definite about it. Lift it up, lift it up, lift it up. Yeah, cool, cool. You got it.
Oh, I don't want to fly in the water.
Yeah, it's really hard to fly in this.